So in this video, we're going to do just problem 83 from chapter 3, because this is the beginning of our trig ratios, and I just want to make sure we're doing it correctly. So that I needed to actually write out the trig table organizer real quick. So in problem A, it's asking you, first of all, to find the value of x, and then find the value of the other missing angle. So the value of x is what we're going to use first. So in our trig table, 79 degrees corresponds to, let's see, what did we do? We did 7 over something. What did we do for 79 degrees? Oh, not 7 over something. It was supposed to be, sorry, give me just a second. The opposite of 11 degrees. So, sorry, here's what I mean. So 79 degrees is here, that's 90 degrees. That means this is 11 degrees, right? So if I take this and I can do two things. I can turn the triangle around, or I can just keep it with the 79 degrees. So 79 degrees had a ratio that was, on our trig table, it was supposed to be 5 over 1 as a ratio. So 5 over 1. So if you look at 79 degrees, we go over, and it's supposed to be 5 over 1. So that means if I set this up correctly, so change in y over change in x has to be 5 over 1. Okay, and we have in our problem change in y is 95. Change in x is, well, just x. So 95 over x, like that. So we know, okay, so this is just basically solving the equation. So 5x equals 95, divided by 5 on both sides, you get x equals, I have no clue. I have no clue what 95 divided by 5 is. 19, okay, done. All right, so x is going to give you a value of 19. So theta, right? So x is 19, and theta is 11 degrees. All right, now for B, it's asking you what are these two angles here. It really should have theta here and some other angle here, not A and B, because that can get confusing. So it's asking for the angles, and the slope ratio between 40 over 40 is just equal to, well, 1 over 1. So if we look at our slope ratio of 1 over 1, that would give us a 45 degree angle. So now I know this has to be 45 degrees, and this has to be 45 degrees also, right? Because it's 45 plus 45 plus 90 gives you 180 in your triangle. And all because the slope ratio is 1 over 1. Now, the last one, 22 degrees is up here, which makes this down here, what is this, 68 degrees, right? Yes, no, maybe, I don't know, I'm too tired to figure this out right now. 90 minus 22, 68, yep, I'm right. So that's 68 degrees, that's 22 degrees, and our slope ratio for 68 degrees was the opposite of what it was for 22 degrees, which was 5. 22 degrees had 5 over 2, so opposite was 2 over 5. Or in this case, sorry, 2 over 5 for 22 degrees is 5 over 2 for 68 degrees. So for 68 degrees, it's supposed to be 5 over 2, right? So change in y over change in x. And this is y over 70, right? Because this is your change in y, this is your change in x. And basically just solve what you can and find a value of y. Okay? All right, that was number 83, and you'll see many more of these to come, I promise.